What does God look like?
God looks like a boy and girl, but it doesn't make sense. So nobody knows what God looks like, not unless you can draw him.
How would you draw him?
I don't know.
Where is God now?
God's up in space,
Yeah? Is that all? He's only in space?
but he's everywhere. Inside you and inside everyone, even inside your poop and peep.
What?
God's not just in you. He's everywhere around you, but he's also in your heart.
Okay, hold on. One more. How can God be everywhere and inside of you at the same time?
Because God is everywhere.
Oh, so he's inside you at the same
It's
time?
like you have something that you want, and then you want to copy it from the printer.
Oh,
So you have another one.
so it's like making copies at the printer.
Yeah.
So like I'm a copy and you're a copy.
Yeah. So like it's not like there's both of us, but it's not both of us. There could be like people that look like us, but it's not really like us, cause God is like a copy, but God's special.
Oh.
So God has a lots of magic, but God is always in your heart.
What do you want? What do you want to say to God?
Say thank you for being in my heart.
Thank you being from my heart.
Me too. Thank you for being in my heart. God, I love you. God.
Can you feel him, Jed?
God. Of course. God's your heart.
Oh, so you can feel your heart?
Yeah, so
I love you,
God's
God.
in your heart, but God's not always in your heart. God's also the heart.
Oh, he's the heart and
Yeah.
in your heart.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can feel him.
Yeah.
Does it feel good?
Yeah, God's like helping your blood go and like helping like your blood vessels go, like make the blood vessels strong to make the blood go through in. And God is also helps the sun get like, and God helps the sun, but God doesn't have enough energy because he uses it all up for electric things like cars and rockets. So that's why the earth spins really slow.
Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. I love you, God.
Love you, God.
All right.